To check day of the week at specific date, use weekday function. Weekday function returns the number that specifies the day of the week. This is the name of function. This function has two arguments. In serial number argument, type the date. In a return type box, type the number from 1 to 3. Click cancel. Active this cell. In formulas tab, function library group, click date and time arrow button. Move down, click weekday function. The function arguments dialog box opened. In serial number box, select the date January 27. In a return type box, first look at the table. If your week start day is Sunday and numbers are also starting from 1, then type 1 in a return type box. Click OK. Function returns corresponding number of day of the week. In table, you can see number 1 specifies the day is Sunday. So at that day, the day is Sunday. If your week start day is Monday and numbers are starting from 1, then type 2 in second argument. Click in formula bar, type 2, press enter. In table, number 7 specifies the day is Sunday at that date. Similarly, first active this cell. If your week start day is Monday and numbers are starting from 0, then type 3 in second argument. Click in formula bar, type 3, press enter. In table, number 6 specifies the day is Sunday at that date. In this way, you can determine the day of the week at any date.